Computer science videos here today to show you guys in tutorial 16 how to delete a photo on your account on Twitter using a computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, a Twitter account. So we can now go all the way down to the dock, go to Safari, go to Twitter, make sure you're signed into the account, go to your profile and then navigate to the photo you wish to delete. I'll just click on this tweet that has a photo, and now we can go to the arrow pointing towards the bottom of your screen. Click on this, delete. This cannot be undone and will be removed from the profile, timeline, and any accounts you follow and from Twitter search results. Delete. Command R to refresh the tweet. The photo has now been deleted from my account. As you can see on top, only one tweet now available. Tweets and replies, media, there is nothing anymore. Go back to tweets, go back to your profile, quit Safari. That's it with this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.